Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow gourds, and that's Gourds. Gourds come in many different shapes and sizes. You find them most of the time to purchase in the fall around Halloween because they're great for different fall decorations. And in fact, they're related to pumpkins, so you grow them just like you would a pumpkin. So you can either cut them open and dry them out and get the seeds out of them and start the seeds the next year, or sometimes you can purchase the seeds in a packet and start them that way, or even in containers already growing. But you sow the seeds in early spring and you just put them in the ground about 1 to 2 inches deep in a sunny spot. They need full hot sun, and they will grow all summer long, the fruit, and then in the fall they will turn into gourds. So when growing your gourds from seed, there's a few easy ways that you can grow them. You can put them right into the ground in early spring and let them come up on their own, or you can start them in the little seed starter trays. Buy a good seed starter mix that has really good drainage, and you just put some of the dirt in there and put the seed right in, only less than 1 inch deep, and keep it pretty moist. Or an easy way to start the seeds I've found is just put some seeds in a piece of paper towel. Just put them right in the middle of the paper towel. And then just put them in a plastic bag and add some water so that it's not, the whole bag isn't full of water, but so that the paper cloth is still really wet. And just set it in a dark place anywhere in the kitchen and check on it every couple days, and you'll find that those little seeds will start growing. And as soon as they have a little bit of growth, you don't want them to be too long either, you turn around and put that right in the ground, and that way you can have a nice gourd plant immediately. Gourds are wonderful because unlike pumpkins, your pumpkins kind of just rot. The gourds dry, and they'll dry pretty much just the way they look, and a lot of different varieties will dry better than others. And the Native Americans used to use them as rattles because if you let them dry and you can shake them and they'll make a noise just like a rattle would. And they're a neat and easy plant to grow, and you grow them just like you would a pumpkin. They need full hot sun, and they're a vine. They make a vine with lots of flowers on them, and then they turn into the gourds. You can start them indoor by seed too and get a little bit of a head start, and then you'll get them to produce the gourds a little bit earlier in the season.